Okay, hey, my name is Gary Cleveland. Here we go. This is the tutorial video for a new butterfly knife trick of mine called the Gymnast. Alright, all I'm going to do is show you the key to it. Just a technique, right? It's just a little bit of... I've spent a lot of time messing up on this thing and not pulling it off. If you know the Gymnast looks like that, then you will have a much easier time getting to the Gymnast, which is 2 revolutions. Looks like that. That's the Gymnast. So the key to the Gymnast, let me tell you where I was messing up. I was trying to get it to go around twice. I was putting so much extra pressure in, figuring I needed a huge amount of velocity. That's not actually the case. You can use the exact same amount of pressure as you use for the Gymnast to do the Gymnast. Let me just tell you, there it is. Let me just tell you what the trick is. Use the same amount of force as the Gymnast, but once it pops, pay particular attention to the handle that's on your palm. You want to actually feel the weight of the knife on your palm. If this thing gets even the slightest bit into an aerial, then, yeah, I mean, if it takes off from your hand at all, it's just going to blow out and distort, and you won't get it. But if you pop it and immediately hold the knife, feel that thing sitting on your hand, feel that weight, that's it. That's the whole key to it. I'll watch this tutorial in a minute. But that's the key. Pop it and make sure that thing is sitting on your hand, and it'll go around twice. Alright, so that's the Gymnast, and that's the Gymnast tutorial. If you don't know the Gymnast, the technique for that, look up I have an old video for the Gymnast. It's just a pop trick. Starts closed, ends closed. Alright, real quick, let me try this with a semi-sharp knife. Sorry, I know you guys are concerned at this point for my well-being. Not only because the Cleavestyle tricks are unpredictable sometimes, but also because of my propensity to mess up. So with a semi-sharp knife, well, let me just tell you, I have a tourniquet. I have a tourniquet ready. So that's where we're at. So anyway, but let me do this real quick with this knife. Maybe. I'm about to give up. I'm sorry. I know you guys have a lot to do. Ah! Alright, anyway. So, well, here, I'll keep trying it, and I'm going to tell you about this shirt I just got for my birthday from my brother-in-law and his wife. This is my grandfather's aircraft carrier in World War II, the Essex. There it is, right there. So, super stoked to get this shirt. That's all his stuff right there. Of course, I named the Helldiver trick after him, and all the other dive bomber pilots and crew members from World War II. Alright, well, let me just show you these drawings. I did it once. You saw it, right? It's on film. Alright, so this is what I'm working on tonight. This one's getting semi-close. I mean, I want it to be pretty simplistic. So it's actually getting kind of close. I spent some hours on this 2 nights ago. I don't know, I might mess around with it some more. This one, this is the first time I've actually looked at this tonight. I think this one is actually pretty close. Here, let me zoom in. So, that's pretty close. That thing has gone through 6,000 iterations. And then this one is the one I told you guys last video I was going to finish it that night, and here I am probably 2-3 weeks later still working on this thing. This drawing, when it finally is complete, is going to be clear coated and put in this old frame that I have, this antique Japanese frame. So anyway, all I think I really need to work on tonight is the sky. I've got a little issue right here with dark to light that I need to sort out, and I don't know, it's getting pretty close too. I might lighten the sky. All I'm going to work on tonight really is the sky. Hopefully this thing will be done. Next time you see this, all right, here's the deal. Next time you see this drawing, it's going to be in a frame and complete. All right, so there you go. That's what's up. Oh, hey, one other thing. When you're trying that, the gymnastic, a lot of times if you're, well, let me just say, I put a little chalk, some graphite charcoal on my palm, because sometimes it can get sticky. I'm just saying, you know, if it starts sticking on your hand, it's going to burn a hole in your hand, and then you'll go blind and you might die. So anyway, all right, you guys, y'all stay cool. See you.